For centuries, a vibrant spice has graced kitchens and healing traditions alike. Golden turmeric, with its warm aroma and earthy flavor, is more than just a culinary delight. Turmeric's story is deeply woven into the fabric of ancient civilizations. In India, turmeric holds a sacred place in Ayurvedic traditions, revered for its ability to balance the body's energies and promote overall health. Traveling along the Silk Road, turmeric's vibrant presence reached China, where it was embraced by traditional Chinese medicine practitioners. Today, modern science is delving deeper into the mechanisms behind turmeric's remarkable properties. At the heart of turmeric's magic lies curcumin, a potent compound with remarkable therapeutic properties. Curcumin acts as a powerful scavenger, neutralizing harmful free radicals and safeguarding our cells from oxidative stress. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties have been extensively studied, revealing its ability to modulate inflammatory pathways in the body. Studies suggest that curcumin may support cognitive function and memory by protecting brain cells from damage and reducing inflammation in the brain. Adding turmeric to your daily routine is easier than you might think. This versatile spice seamlessly blends into a variety of dishes and beverages. Start your day with a turmeric-infused breakfast by adding a teaspoon to your smoothie or oatmeal. For a quick and flavorful lunch, sprinkle turmeric into your salads, soups, or stews. As the day winds down, enjoy a soothing cup of golden milk before bedtime. Let's embark on a culinary adventure inspired by turmeric's vibrant flavors. For a savory delight, try a turmeric roasted chicken with roasted vegetables. If you're craving a comforting and flavorful soup, try a turmeric lentil soup. For a sweet treat that satisfies your taste buds while providing turmeric's benefits, try turmeric energy balls. Turmeric's versatility in the kitchen allows you to explore a world of flavors while reaping its health benefits. Turmeric's journey through time, from ancient healing traditions to modern scientific exploration, is a testament to its enduring power. By embracing turmeric's magic, you're inviting a world of possibilities to enhance your well-being and unlock your ageless wonder. Start by incorporating turmeric into your daily routine in small but meaningful ways. Embrace the transformative power of this ancient spice, and let it guide you on a path to a healthier, more vibrant you.